What's up, YouTube? This is part one to my arms. Now, on arm day, what I usually do is I start off with dumbbell curls. I do 4 sets. I start off with 1 set of curls. Then the next set I go into sledgehammers, and then I go right back into curls with a higher weight. Then my last set I do sledgehammers. So I'm gonna start off with doing 10 reps of curls just to show y'all how to properly do curls. So get the weights real quick. Now basically what you want to do is you want to keep your back straight just like that. I'm going to face forward. And you keep your back straight. And you raise your arm just like this. 1. Make sure the weight hits your chest. Bring it back down. 2. Don't swing your body. Keep your back straight and just go. That's 2 reps. That's 3 reps. That's 4 reps. That's 5 reps. 6 reps. That's 7 reps. That's 8 reps. That's 9 reps. That's 10 reps. Okay. Get the weights down. Rest for about 30 seconds. Make sure that when you curl, you breathe. When you bring the weight down, make sure that you breathe. Make sure that you inhale through your nose, and when you bring it back up, push out through your mouth. Not too hard, but kind of relax, like basically. And when you come up, just like that. All right. Just shaking this out. Now I'm finna go into sledgehammers. Basically, sledgehammers is like curls, but you bring it up like you about to bang something. It's just like curls. Keep your back straight. Keep a nice form. Basically, bring it up. I'm gonna do 10 reps. 1. No, that's 1. 2. Make sure the weight hits your chest. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. That's 10. Now, I start off with my first set on arm day. I start off with I do 15 reps of curls, and then I go into the next set. I do sledgehammers. I do 12 reps of that. And then next set I go right back into curls with a higher weight, and I do 10 reps with that. And my last set I go into sledgehammers, and I do 8 reps with that. So, that's what I start off with. Check out part 2. I'm gonna do barbell curls.